Hi. Dina Solomon chiming in from Frisco, Texas. Happy Wednesday. How are you doing out there? It's so nice to see you. I haven't been on in a long time, but I thought today to reconnect and say hello. Topic of today is about a program that I've been in for about 8 months, and I've been wanting to give you an update on it because I think you guys see me promoting things. Maybe you want to know an update. Maybe you've been thinking of joining, but don't know exactly what to do or where to start or what to say or what to look for in a program. So today I'm getting on here to give you an update about the Legacy Builder program and where I'm at 8 months in. We're almost 8 months in. It's been about since December of last year that I've been in the program. And so I decided today that I'm going to go live and share with you a little bit about it. On my feed, you will see a pinned post of a video that I did back in May. That was the last video that I did. So I thought to get on here today and actually talk to you a little bit about it, tell you what it's all about, tell you how I've been doing in the program, in hopes that it'll inspire you to actually ask questions, join the program, work the program. But yeah, I haven't been on live video in a long time. I'm chiming in from Frisco, Texas. So if you are on here, say hello, let me know you're here. It's been such a long time. Hi, Angela. How are you? How are you? So good to see. Thank you so much. I've been kind of wondering, if I should go live or not, or maybe the algorithm's forgotten about me, but you're tuning in from Maryland. I'm here in Texas. If you're on, say hello, give a few hearts. Angela, if you are in my chat, please share the video in there. I would appreciate it. It is called the Affiliate Team chat. So if you are there, can you please share it? Thank you for remembering me. I appreciate you because that means a lot. So I've been in the Legacy Builder program for almost 8 months. I got into it honestly because I was approached about it, and I love the concept of 100% profit. I love the concept of working a couple hours a day. I didn't really understand if it was going to be a program for me, to be honest. I've always been in the MLM space. I've been a person who got burnt out in the MLM space. I've been online since 2015, and I stuck with one MLM company, and then I switched into affiliate marketing and direct digital marketing. And I've loved both spaces, but one has really intrigued me, which is the digital marketing space, because I don't have to build a team. I don't have to chase anybody. I don't have to worry about uplines and sponsors and teams and downlines and levels and chasing people to work their business on a daily basis so that I can rank and then move up the ranks. And it was one of the reasons why I moved away from the MLM space, was for that reason. I got burnt out after 7-8 years doing it, to be boldly honest. So back in December, I was approached with this program called the Legacy Builder program, and I've made over 30K in this program so far, and that is almost in 8 months. So I'm thinking that is good progress. For me, I am thinking that I want to mentor more people in the program, because I think it is an easy peasy program for beginners coming into the space, people who want to learn the digital marketing space. You can come in at different levels. It is newbie friendly, it is tech free, it is fully automated for you, so you don't have to worry about follow-ups and chasing people in the DMs and wondering if anybody is going to be interested in what you have to offer. And so the Legacy Builder program offers 4 different levels to come in at. You can come in at the $900 level, which is our Legacy Builder level, which gives you access to 4 income streams. Or you can come in at our 600 level, our 300 level, or our 100 level. And the program is done for you. And I know a lot of people are like, what is this done for you thing? You know, done for you means you don't have to set up a website. You don't have to do technology stuff. You don't have to set up email automations. You don't have to be a copywriter. You don't have to know how to write emails. These are all the problems that I had with the MLM space, is that we weren't given email sequences. We weren't given a funnel. We weren't given all these things. And it was very hard to teach our downlines how to actually build an email list and do these basic things. And so in the digital marketing space, within this program, the Legacy Builder program, I find that it's easy to teach people that have no experience. This is a very newbie friendly type of program. If you have never done anything online, maybe you're looking to earn above and beyond the 9 to 5, maybe you are looking to supplement your retirement. Maybe you've outgrown your retirement. Maybe you're sitting there thinking like, this 401k account that I have isn't going to be enough to help me retire. I mean, I'm seeing and hearing more of that every day. I get messages on a daily basis about people saying to me, oh, Dina, I need to earn extra money. Okay. And I tell them this is a 100% profit program. You have 4 different levels to come in at. If you come in at our 900 level, you get to promote all of the programs. We have a full live community. So it's not just courses you're buying into, but you get a full live community with daily live trainings in it. We are taught by a millionaire. Her name is Michelle O'Neill. She teaches the program on a daily basis. We have live webinars to invite your prospects to on a weekly basis. Everything you need is in this program. And people ask me like, why did you stay with this program so long? I mean, so many things have sprouted up in the meantime, and it's because I'm very loyal. If something is working for me and I see it working for other people, then I'm going to continue to promote it. Okay. I see so many people struggling and so many people asking me, oh, how have you been doing with the program? How are you earning with the program? And 30K is not little money, and it used to be where that would take me quite a bit of time in the MLM space to earn 30K. To be boldly honest, 30K in the MLM space for me was very hard to attain. It wasn't very easy, and it took a lot of time for me. And what really bothered me with the MLM space is that I'm always on my phone. And I wanted to get away from constantly being on my phone. I wanted to really like be with my children, be present with my children, and not actually have to be attached to answering a text, answering to a teammate, answering to prospects, answering to customers. Like, that was a lot of time for me. Here in this specific program, I'm doing a couple hours a day. At max, I'm doing 4 or 5 hours a day because this is my full-time thing. I own a preschool full-time, and I'm able to do this program easily at 100% profit next to what I'm already doing. So what does 100% profit means? Means that there's no monthly fees, and there's no commissions going to anybody else but you. You get paid directly, you get paid instantly. So let's say Angela comes to me and she says, Dina, I want to join at the $900 level, the Legacy Builder level. I make $900. So I can easily make $900 in a day with one customer. Okay, and 4 customers a month at $900 is $3,600. Like, do the math. This is not a small opportunity. This is a simple opportunity and a very easy one if you follow the steps. If you are looking to get into this program with me, because I've been doing it for a long time and I love mentoring. This is what I love about this industry, is I love to teach. I own a preschool. So for me, teaching is kind of my thing. And all I'm going to tell you is, if you come in, give me a couple hours a day to do this program and actually follow the program, like step by step by step, the way it's laid out. It is a proven blueprint. So there is no ifs and ands, buts about it. Don't try to screw up the system. Okay. I know a lot of you come from other experiences, other programs, and you're thinking to yourself, well, Dina, how is this different from other programs? I don't know all the other programs out there. I just know what is making me money here. So because there's always new programs sprouting up, and it's easy to get the shiny object syndrome and try to go to other programs because they look better, they're flashier, everyone's joining them. But it's even easier to stay and build a program for yourself. Like, stay consistent in it. If you stay consistent in this specific program or any program you join, you are likely to build it. That's how businesses are built. You stay in it year to year to year. You build upon each stone. You keep building your foundation bigger and bigger and bigger. And so what I see a lot of people doing who aren't earning in this arena of online space is they keep going to new programs. So-and-so comes up to them and says, hey, this new program is launching. Next person comes out with another program. Another program owner says their program is better than this new program, and they start slamming the programs. This is what's happening, and it's kind of disturbing to me, to be honest, because yes, there's so many digital marketing programs out there, but not many with a proven blueprint like mine. I mean, I can actually sit here and do this video and tell you I've earned more than 30K in this program. That is not little money. And it's very, very easy. A couple hours a day at minimum I have to spend at this. I put in 3 or 4 hours just because I want to grow it more. But if you're a busy person working the 9 to 5 and you're looking for a program, then do this one. Like, it's just, for me, it's time saving. You only need a couple of hours to do it. It is a one-time payment program. It is newbie friendly. There's no tech involved, very minimal tech. If you can connect a domain to a funnel, we give you all the steps to do that. And that is all the tech that you need. Pick a domain, name your business, and you're off running. Okay, you're gonna have to talk to people. Sure, you're gonna have to talk to people, but guess what? You don't have to be rejected. The program is fully automated, meaning you can share and put content out there. If people are interested, they will come to you and say, hey, Angela, I'm interested. I don't chase people. I don't chase people. I put the content out there. I put the posts out there as you guys see on my feed. And if people are interested, they come and ask me questions and I give them the answers. That's as simple as that. There is no more running in the messenger, DMing people, cold messaging people, spamming people. Like, there's none of that. If you work the program to the T, okay? And I mean, like, don't skip around, because if you try to skip around as a mentor, I'm going to take you back to step 1 and I'm going to say, don't skip steps. Okay, do you guys understand what this program is all about? It is digital courses, but even more than digital courses, it is a whole program, a live program with live mentoring. You guys know you can't get that for $900 anymore. Like, mentors are so expensive. So why not invest one time into a program, make money off of it day in and day out? You can be in profit within a few days. So this is my update for you about the program. A lot of people ask me, like, are you still in this Legacy Builder program? Are you still promoting it? Yes, I am, because I truly feel like there's other programs that I have that I can promote, but this one seems to have really changed a lot of people's lives, at least the ones that I have run into and have mentored. Now, there's people who buy into our program just to learn how to be a social entrepreneur, because that's what we teach, is how to be a social entrepreneur here on social media. We teach you branding. We teach you how to talk to the perfect customer. We teach you how to find your following, how to take those followers and turn them into customers. We teach you master resale rights. We teach you passive income. We teach you how to take your own product that you might have, that you've created, maybe a course, and scale it. So this is A to Z type of program. You can be a newbie that comes in who's never done this before, or you can be a veteran and actually learn how to scale your own product, create your own community, create your own courses. So the program is really attracting a lot of people. Let me tell you, when I started the program in late December of last year, there was only 7,000 members in our community, in our digital growth community, which is the name of the community. The program is called Legacy Builder, but the community is actually called Digital Growth Community. And it has 35,000 people right now as I speak. When I started, it was 7,000. Look at the growth. It's like, what is that? Not quadrupled, but quadrupled. 5 times over it has grown. And so this is not a little program. This is a one-time payment. Like I said, you can come in at our $900 level, our $600 level, our $300 level, our $100 level. Okay, there's payment plans for all of the levels. So if you feel like, well, Dina, I want to get into business, but I don't have the money to do it. Okay, we give you payment option plans too, where it'll break it down into payments for you so you can afford it. All right. And again, you get full access to the program while you're paying it off. That's even better. And then to have a millionaire teaching you every day, daily action steps, so you wake up knowing exactly what you need to do for your business on a daily basis is unheard of. There's not a day where I wake up and I'm like, wait a minute, what do I post? What do I need to do in my business today? Okay, this is how good this program is. And if you needed me to tell you how much I've earned, that's how much I've earned. It's growing on a daily basis. I love mentoring people, but I felt that I needed to update you a little bit because I haven't talked about it or gone live about it in a long time. Like May, I think May was my last video. It's pretty pathetic, huh? Okay, but I've been growing on other platforms because I want to share to different audiences. So if you have questions about the program, if you need information, I'm not going to chase you. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to give you the information because the name of the game here is 2 hours a day, show up consistently, share the information. Okay, that is it. There's nothing more to it. It's a one-time payment program. There's payment options available to you if you need them, but it's a simple, easy peasy program. And when I recommend a product and I go live about it, just know it's coming from my heart and it's coming from experience. I've been doing this since 2015. I've been online for a long time. I've seen programs come and go. I've seen programs go up really well and then just collapse very fast. And so with this program, you're going to see me promoting it quite a bit on my feed. If you're interested, let me know. Drop a comment below. Maybe we can connect. If you have any questions, message me. If you're on the replay, say hello and let me know you're on the replay, okay? I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for being on. I'll talk to you later. Happy Wednesday. Bye.